Apply number 403 pre-shaven softening beard oil, massaging it through. Take a small amount of number 401 pre- and post-shave cream skin protector and massage into the skin of the face. Cover with a warm, damp cloth. Press with the hands to keep the face warm. Leave the cloth on the face whilst preparing the foam, using number 404 Soothing Shaving Soap Cream. Lather the area to be shaved carefully. Shave in the direction of hair growth. Cover the face with a damp, cool cloth and use it to remove any excess foam residue on the face. Apply number 407 Restoring Aftershave, an invigorating and refreshing aftershave. Massage the face with number 408 Moisturizing Aftershave Balm.